Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a unboxing of a exclusive Glossy Box. It's the Glossy Box and Rhodale box. So I love Glossy Boxes boxes. They're really nice. I use them to store stuff in. Hi Blondie. Blondie. Come on, move please. Come on, back up, back up. Blondie. Move your butt. That was my cat Blondie. She never is usually up here when I do stuff, so that's exciting. So, looks like this. I haven't opened it yet, so I have no idea what we're getting. So let's open this together. I'm surprised she hasn't run over here with the string yet. Okay, she's gonna go take a nappy, I guess. Ooh. Okay. Looks like these are like deluxe size samples and stuff. That's alright. This is the Rodial Glambo Lash Mascara XXL. Blondie. Blondie. Come on, honey, move. No, don't get in the box. Don't get in the box. Come on. Come on. Here, get in this. Get in the lid. Blondie. Isn't she pretty? Say hi. Blondie. Come on. Come on, honey. Come on. Go. Go. I'll get you a treat later, okay? Go. Okay? Okay. This is the Rhodale Glambo Lash Mascara XXL. Let's see. We have our little booklet here. It says... Oh, cool. It gives prices. It says the Deluxe Mini is $13. Wow. Okay. $13. Blondie. Blondie, I know you want to play, but I'm doing a video. Go play. Go play. Go play. Go play with Morse. Sorry. She's never usually doing that. She usually just leaves me alone when I'm doing my stuff, so. Okay, next thing I'm pulling out are these Dragon's Blood Jelly Eye Patches. You get 2 of them. Looks like they're $11 each. What? $11? Blondie! Honey, you're cute and all, but you're... Come on. Hold on. Next we have Dragon's Blood Cleansing Water. And that retails for $25 for the mini. Okay. And it says, cleanse, refresh, and soothe your skin all at once with this micellar water. Hyaluronic acid and vitamin B3 paired with Dragon's Blood. Hydrate, illuminate, and remove dirt and makeup. Its lightweight texture is perfect for a cooling and soothing effect. Nice. What does the eye patches say? It says, visibly smooth and plump and restore hydration in under eye contours with the protective powers of Dragon's Blood in these eye patches. The new jelly texture technology will calm and depuff the under eye area for a refreshed look. Okay. Now, say hi to Mom. Now we have the Dragon's Blood Lip Mask. I got 2 of these. And they are $7 each, so... Wow, okay. It says, take your lip game to a whole new level with these replenishing biocellulose lip masks. Dragon's Blood extract and hyaluronic acid will restore, plump, and protect giving you the ultimate moisture boost for smoother looking lips. Lip masks have never worked for me, but I'll try them. And the last thing I got in this box is the Rhodale Dragon's Blood Sculpting Gel. I really like this stuff. And this is, for the mini, $26. Says, containing dragon's blood and sap from the Croton Lychee tree. I don't know. This revolutionary anti-aging gel helps volumize and define facial contours by stimulating the protection of collagen. Say hello to firmer and more lifted skin. So, I will have everything listed the box total listed up over here somewhere. So that's a pretty good deal. I mean, what did I pay? I think it was $35 for non-subscribers because I'm not subscribed to Glossy Box anymore, but they do send me emails about exclusive boxes and stuff. So if you are a member, you would get $5 off, so it would be $30. So that's either way, it's not a bad deal, especially if you want to try out Rodial products. This is a great way to try it. I mean, their stuff is really expensive. Like, for example, the full size, which is a 50 ml jar of this, costs $108. This is $26. This is 9 milliliters. So, yeah. So these are full-size lip masks. They're $7 a piece. These are full-size eye patches. Those are $11 a piece. So that's pretty good. So I'm quite happy with this. I'm glad I got this because I do enjoy Rodial products. So I wish they would. If they partner with them again, I would love if they did the bee venom because I really like that, but it's really expensive. So I hope they would come back and do like a bee venom box. So anyway, that's just me. But Glossy Box, if you ever watch this, do a bee venom box. That'd be awesome. Anyway, give us a thumbs up if you like unboxing and skincare stuff. Subscribe if you have not. We'd love for you to join the fam. And click that bell if you like more notifications from me. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.